Hello, J&M Reviews here, and today I am glad to review this free sample provided by GROWNSY. So it's a baby nasal aspirator. So this is the packaging. I like it. I love it because it comes also with a carrying case that you can easily fit in a diaper bag and also for storage. So this is how it looks. And what you're gonna see here is you want to hold this to turn it on or turn it off. Here, this is the suction level, and here you have some light and music to keep the baby calm. So this comes on and off. And then it has two different tips. So this one is for 2 years and older, and this is to go deeper if the nose is pretty dirty. And this is the other one. So you need to charge it before using it. It won't work if it's charging. So also it comes with very helpful instructions, and I just love this. This is a game changer to keep the infant nose very clean. I hope you check it out. They are great. Thank you for watching.